Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Muhammad Reza Putra and my partner is Fajar Arya and Revi Dermawan. We are undergraduate student from Arts University. In this presentation, we will discuss about system operation. First, I will explain about definition of operating system. Second, I will explain about goals of the operating system. Third, I will explain about function of an operating system. And last, I will explain about other important activities. Okay. Definition of operating system. An operating system is a piece of software that manages the allocation of computer hardware. The coordination of the hardware must be appropriate to ensure the correct working of the computer system and to prevent user program from interfering with the proper working of the system. Example: just like a boss gives order to his employee, in this similar why we request or pass our order to the operating system. The main goal of the operating system is to thus make the computer environment more convenient to use, and the secondary goal is to use the result in the most efficient manner. What is an operating system? An operating system is a program on which application programs are executed and act as a communication bridge or interface between the user and the computer hardware. The main tasks an operating system carries out is the allocation of resource and service such as allocation of memory, device, processor, and information. The operating system also includes programs to manage this resource such as a traffic control, a scheduler, memory management module, I/O program, and a file system. The next presentation will be continued by my partner.
Hello, my name is Fajar. I am an undergraduate student in Information System at Arts University. I would like to continue what my colleagues explained earlier. Goal of the operating system. There are two types of goals and operating system: primary goals and secondary goals. The primary goals of an operating system is to provide the user-friendly and convenient environment. We know that it is not compulsory to use the operating system, but things become harder when the user has to perform all the process scheduling and converting the used code into machine code is also very difficult. So, we make the use of an operating system to act as an intermediate between us and the hardware. All you need to do is give commands to operating system and the operating system will do the rest for you. So, the operating system should be convenient to use. Secondary goals. The secondary goals of an operating system is efficiency. The operating system should perform all the management of resources in such a way that the resources are fully utilized and no resource should be held idle if some request that resource is at that instant of time. And I will explain about about the functions of operating system. The operating system perform a number of functionalities. They are process management. At particular instant of time, the CPU may have a number process that are in the ready state, but the time only one process can be processed by a processor. So the CPU should apply some kind of algorithm that can be used to provide uniform and efficient access to research by the process. The CPU should not give priority to only one process, and it should make sure that every process which is in the ready state will be executed. Some of the CPU scheduling algorithms are first come, first serve, round robin, shortest job first, priority scheduling, etc. The second is memory management. For the execution of a process, the whole process is put into the main memory and the process is executed, and after the execution of the process, the memory is freed and that memory can be used for other process. So it is the duty of the operating system to manage the memory by allocating and deallocating the memory for the process. And this is my explanation and will be continued by my partner. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I will continue what my friend has said about the operating system. I/O device management. There are various I/O devices that are present in a system. Various processes require access to these resources and the process should not directly access the devices. So, it is the duty of the operating system to allow the use of I/O devices by the various processes that are requiring these resources. File management. There are various file, folders, and directory systems in a particular computer. All these are maintained and managed by the operating system of the computer. All these files relate using a file allocation table or FAT. So every detail related to the file, i.e. file name, file size, file type, is stored in the file allocating table. Also, it is the duty of the operating system to make sure that file should not be opened by some unauthorized access. Virtual memory. When the size of the program is large than the main memory, then is the duty of the operating system to load only frequently used pages in the main memory. This is called virtual memory. Other important activities. Following are some of the important activities that an operating system performs. Point 1. Security. By means of password and similar other techniques, it prevents unauthorized access to program and data. Point 2. Control over system performance. Recording delays between requests for a service and response from the system. Point 3. Job accounting. Keeping track of time and resources used by various jobs and users. Point 4. Error detecting aids. Production of dumps, traces, error messages, and other debugging and error detecting aids. Point 5. Coordination between other softwares and users. Coordination and assignment of compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and other software to the various users of the computer system. Until there, I can explain about the operating system. I'm sorry if what I explained was not clear.
Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.